आज आम्ही मुंबईला चाललो आहोत कारण का माझ्या मिस्टरांची आज एक मीटिंग आहे, एक इंटरव्ह्यू आहे. त्यांनी एक मोहीम सुरू केलेली आर्टिस्टच्या पेमेंटबद्दल आणि क्रूच्या पेमेंटबद्दल. त्याची आज मीटिंग आहे मुंबईला, तर ते आम्हाला सोबत नेत आहेत. आणि दिस इज माय बॉयज. सो बॉयज, wake up. Ruhan, are you excited to go to Mumbai? Ruhan, are you excited? Yeah. So सोबत आम्ही होम स्कूल पण करणार आहोत गाडीत म्हणजे आता सध्या छोटा झोपेला आलाय आणि मोठा जो आहे तो त्याचं म्युझिक ऐकतोय. पण आम्ही त्यांना म्हणजे ह्यांचा इंटरव्ह्यू असेल तोपर्यंत आय एम गोइंग टू टेक देम टू नेहरू प्लॅनेटोरियम अँड few places more in Mumbai. छोट्याला आमच्या वडापाव खायचा आहे, अशोक वडापाव. सो अशोक वडापाव आणि बरेच काही. विल कीप यू अपडेटेड. सांगायचं एवढंच होतं की आत्ता जर शाळा असती तर हे शाळेत असते आणि काहीच त्यांना एक्सप्लोर करता आलं नसतं. अँड हो, तर आता इथे बघते आज काय काय त्यांना दाखवता येतं, शिकवता येतं ॲक्च्युली. So this is the first time me and the kids are going on Atal Setu, which is like this. Yeah. So this has cut down our travel time to Mumbai, I believe, by 15 minutes, right, Shantanu Gangne?
Yes.
Yes!
So 15 minutes early you can have the vada pav.
Yes!
Okay. Entering Mumbai. Yeah, looks like Dubai, you're right. In the frame at least it does.
Mumbai Port. Exit 1C, Mumbai Port. Ahead. Exit. We are in exit 1C. Exit 1C. Morning, Mumbai. Finally reunited to my birthplace.
Finally reunited?
To my birthplace.
They are very good at their job.
What is their job?
Being RJ.
RJ is a
So-
profession, Ruhan. It's called radio jockey. So basically they talk to the audiences and after that what they do is play songs for you on the radio. Okay, so Papa was saying something. Let him continue.
So he's one of the best or top RJs in India, and he got many awards. He is good in all the languages: Hindi, English, Marathi. Actually, he was orphan. I think his parents left him somewhere in
Orphanage or
not orphanage, at some mandir, and somebody else adopted him and grew him up. And he learned many things. He is good in his job and won many awards. And another thing is he never showed his face in public.
yeah, like
So
hiding.
no
his-
one
knows how he
no
looks.
one knows his face. Once he came on Kapil Sharma show with all the other RJs, he covered his face properly. So only just because he wanted to keep his voice as an identity.
Understood? Yeah. So
Being
nobody.
a RJ, because he's there on radio since many years, and
I think more than 20.
His identity is only his voice. So he wanted to keep it like that only. So never ever, if you go to the radio station and for the interview or something, you can see him properly, but you are not allowed to click his picture.
Interesting, right? Siddhivinayak temple, the most famous Siddhivinayak.
Need for what? Means
Coastal road means where there is water body to your near beach.
in
Yeah.
short beach. So you mean Mumbai beach? Yes. Will we be able to see the Gateway of India?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can.
There is a cable.
That bridge is sealing. Behind that, you can see the cable one. On backside, I've told you, na. See, look behind exactly.
Oh, I can see.
That is
Like
that.
in Range Road, Mercedes, dude.
Come. आत्ता आम्ही नेहरू सेंटरला आलो आहेत, पण 12 वाजता शो आहे. सो आम्ही आता एक्झिबिशन आणि आर्ट गॅलरी बघायला चाललो आहे.
This is our first vlog.
या आय नो.
Remember, we need to arrive there 20 minutes early. That's
Why?
Because while going there in 20 minutes before they make us.
Okay, we have to take tickets, I guess. Ahan, have you seen an art gallery? Okay, let's go to the art gallery first. Ahan, do you like the art gallery? What's that? Historical ship? So this is the ship we saw in art gallery. Ahan Bukkad is headed to the cafeteria. His first love is going to be food only. The canteen at the Worli thing.
And it's very
Pretty
good.
nice.
And it's very good.
So how is it?
Tastes like pizza.
Yeah, no?
My choice.
Nazi Ahan.
Very solid cheese sandwich.
Very solid.
At home.
Sourdough bread it is.
Taste.
Oh no, I am fasting. Excited to look at the museum or the show?
Show.
Okay.
Show. It's the biography of the universe. So the whole universe in one singular show. For 10
Okay.
minutes.
But that's in Hindi. 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock हिंदी चलो बट मैथ हिंदी मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
थोड़ा आता है. तेरे को आता है हिंदी आहान?
हाँ.
Okay. So we headed to the dome back now for the show. We saw the museum and we weren't allowed to record. So now we are going for the show. And in the later part of the video, I'll tell you what all did we see there. Come here.
Oh, Galil. Yeah, panorama. I saw this all in the video. First, timing. We are over here. It is 11:50. Over there, it is South Africa 8:20. Oh my God! Your weight on the different planets.
What is your weight
Sun,
there?
my weight on the sun is. Check my weight on the sun, please.
What's your weight? Where is it written?
It's written over there.
No, moon.
10.
And go here, moon. Check your weight on the moon. You'll weigh light on the moon.
Earth, Prithvi, please tell my proper weight.
How much are you weighing there?
62. That's my weight.
Take a photo. It's just 10 kilos. My weight is showing 10 kilos or 11 kilos. This tells us that I'm not fat. I'm just born on the wrong planet. How is this? Interesting?
They're doing day-night cycle as well. See, look, it's Earth.
Yeah. What else can you notice?
Astronauts.
Okay.
Astronauts and some. There's a rocket. Look, stars. Nah, that's just dome.
What's that though?
That's scary. Yo, they even added the sun. There is the this.
Where is the what?
I think that's it.
I'm very happy that I'm only 10 kgs on moon and I'm shifting to moon.
I was 1,000 kg on the sun.
Okay. So all the info about your solar system is right here, right? So that's where we're going to watch the movie. And this is the Mars panorama.
We're done.
Whoa, what's that?
Look at Mercury. Why is Mercury not like moving? So where is the starting point? There's no starting point or ending point.
Ahan, you know the name of all the planets?
Yes. Mercury, Venus, Mercury, Venus, Saturn. I went Uranus.
And yeah, you can click a pic there. Wait, I'm taking.
I wish we had a chair right now.
यहाँ नेहरू नक्षत्रालय में स्वागत है। I welcome you all to Nehru Planetarium. हमारा कार्यक्रम है Stars and Wonders of the Universe. इस कार्यक्रम के 2 भाग हैं। पहला भाग ये होगी, जिसके बाद हम सभी स्टार थिएटर में चलेंगे, जहाँ
A billion years ago. Read all this info. Rohan, you're supposed to.
Oh, damn. Saturn, Jupiter, Sun.
Yeah.
And this is Sun and Sun.
And look at the size of the planets.
it's comparison by diameter. From here, suppose the diameter of Moon is 1 inch. This is exactly 1 inch, right? So Uranus is 15. It means on the diameter of Uranus you can place 15 moons. Here, on the diameter of Sun you can place 400 moons.
Okay.
But now since Sun is a star, why should we compare Sun with the planets?
Okay.
Here Sun is compared with different stars of our home galaxy.
Here the diameter of Sun is compared to ours.
Different stars. It is 1 inch.
So 1.7.
Yes, 8 means you can place 8 suns over here.
Oh.
25 here and here 800.
Nice. Very interesting. Interesting.
You can click your photo there.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Oh, you can.
Let's see if we better.
Did you, Ruhan? Go. Yeah. Yeah, you can.
Oh.
And
Split your legs
Huh.
exactly behind those legs.
yeah. Come more ahead, Babu.
Streak of light in the sky rather like a bright little star falling like people call it a shooting star. Astronomers call it meteor when
Interplanetary.
Particle traveling at high speed enter into the Earth's atmosphere. It ablates due to the energy produced by its friction with the atmosphere consumed. The sun has 0 Sirius has Canis Major, Canopus has Carina, Arcturus has Bootes, Rigel Cavendish has Sagittarius.
Yeah. These are their magnitude, means brightness. This is apparent, means as seen from Earth. This is absolute, means their actual brightness. Suppose the star is so huge, but it is too deep in space, so it will appear as a faint star.
Oh.
In this, the more you go negative, the star will be more brighter.
Okay.
And this is the distance in light years.
Okay.
These are their locations in the sky.
Okay, the same one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All
The
right.
same star make up the different position.
Yes.
Okay. And these are visible like from the naked eye.
Yes, because they're top 20 bright.
Very bright. Yeah. Okay. All right.
And what's your name?
Ruhan.
My name is
So
Ruha.
do you read books? It's a bookmark of planetarium and solar system of Canada.
Oh, say thank you.
Most
Thank you so much. Wait.
No, they lift us. Literally.
Whoa. Where, Mama? Okay. Yeah, go in your Ashok Vada Pav queue.
Famous.
Queue of Ashok Vada Pav. Ahan always wanted one. Ahan, look here. Are you happy? Are you excited?
I'm just feeling very
Are you excited to have the Vada Pav? Be in the queue. You have to be in the queue, otherwise you won't get it.
cold.
What? So that's the queue.
That is Anthony. Oh! Mr. Beast. On Mr. Beast channel also.
So good to watch that. Now we can't see Hajiri. Okay, so it's a very popular electronic. So we are at the Haji Ali Juice Center, having their famous mixed fruit cream, strawberry cream and stuff. Ruhan is excited. It's visible. In my childhood, everything was visible right from here. Come, Ruhan. Our food from Haji Ali Juice Center, and we are now going to the car. Okay, Ahan. a bite, not bite. Bite means like a shot of your eating vada pav.
I want to show
Ashok vada pav finally being eaten. It calls for a celebration. Ruhan, is it worth all the hype?
I haven't tasted it. But I mean,
Yeah, can you please taste the vada pav? Ahan, I want your deadly expressions, man.
let me taste it for a moment.
That is not even vada pav. That is just chura that you're having. You have not even reached vada pav.
What the hell is the pav?
Yeah, that
They're
is.
just like pav and there's the what I do. Just bite of it. 3, 2, 1.
Still not the pav. How's it? How is it?
Best. Best. This is such.
Worth?
What the hype? Absolutely not. Normal vada pav.
Normal vada pav?
Okay, guys, should we start?
Hold on. What is the pronunciation? Antalya, Antilia?
Anterior.
Antilia. Okay, let's see.
Should I start? That one.
That one, the tall building.
Damn, bro. That's big.
Can you see it?
Can you see Antalya?
Yes.
Should I call the Ambanis saying we are coming?
You actually have to do that.
No.
You
Happy?
can't finish?
Happy?
I can't finish. No. Nice.
You liked it so much, you're finishing his also.
No, we just crossed Wankhede. Okay. Vidhan
What's
Sabha
your name, Eli?
with
Member of Legislative Assembly.
Ministers, cabinet ministers, and all. They have their office over there. Okay.
Ahan, look what Papa
behind
showing.
also there is a car which is MLA's car. You can see the sticker, green color. Even ahead also. Can you see that sticker?
The green sticker on the
round,
car.
round shaped sticker with white and green with Ashoka emblem. From these two buildings, entire Maharashtra
Operates.
operates.
Entire.
Art festivals happen.
Happens, and Jahangir Art Gallery is also there. On your left side, there is a good building that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj museum. We'll visit that also.
Are you ready?
Yes, guys, you guys ready? And it's not about me. I need to drive. Can you see?
It looks much bigger in the photos, no?
Photos or in real life?
No, in the photos.
I think this one, Babu.
Taj will not look like Taj Mahal.
Yeah, Taj Mahal is different.
Taj Mahal is different.
So are those islands over there, Dubai?
No.
That
On your
one.
left. You can see the water.
Finally, we are at IKEA. Finally. Happy? Fort View.
Yes. You can see Purandar.
And you will run the business.
Yes.
Okay.
Purandar fort you can see. You could see Siyagarh fort. So it's like basically Siyagarh is here and Rajgarh and Purandar fort.
ओके आम्ही ऐक्यामध्ये आहोत. रात्रीचे 9 वाजले आहेत आणि मी विचार केलेलं की दिवसभर आम्ही काय करतोय ते दाखवेन, कसं ह्यांना शिकवतोय वगैरे. पण इतकं दमायला आणि दगदग झाली आहे. कारण आम्ही खरं तर आमचा जो दुसरा फ्लॅट आम्ही एअरबीएनबीसाठी घेतला आहे. तर त्याचं फर्निचर घ्यायला आलेलो. तर ते इतकं हेक्टिक झालं की आत्ता कॉफी घेतल्यानंतर मला थोडासा प्राण आला आहे. म्हणून हा शेवटचा व्हिडिओ मी करते आहे. आणि ह्याची एनर्जी बघा. राईट. तर मुलांची बॅटरी कधीच डाऊन होत नाही. खूप एन्जॉय करतात मुलं. आणि या बाकी सांगते परत काय झालं नंतर.
To be as pink as possible, but except leave everything else brown, except the flower, cause the flower just make it lotus type, like lotus pink. Make it that color. So give me the image.
I was not understanding you. What is wrong with ChatGPT?
And check how ChatGPT is. Yes, now this is correct. He just showing half the page that it's done. Now rest is correct. Rest is correct. I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay. So is it still talking or has it
Yeah,
sent?
it's done. This is a photo.
Oh wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So that's going to be the logo of your new business?
Yes, the new business that my mother right here. Your homeschooling teacher. Homeschooling teacher. She bought this plot
Okay, yeah.
for.
We're not revealing the details right
Yeah,
now.
we're not revealing the
Okay, yeah.
details.
But you can say, the plot is for whom?
The
You.
plot is for like a villa business that I'm going to be doing.
You are going to be doing, na?
Yes, that's called homeschooling.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm just 8 years old and I'm like doing preparations for handling a business.
Okay. So this what all goes into villa business? Can you tell me? Like what all you will manage? You think you can manage?
I can
Your
take
part-
care of.
Hmm.
I'm going
Bookings?
to take care of food, food management. I'm going to take care of this. What do you say? Pool cleaning. Pool is going to be like a type of infinity pool.
Oh, infinity pool you.
In summers, it gets ultimate. Like there's going, food on waters in those like branch type.
So like Indonesia and Bali, the holidays.
Like that.
Okay.
Like that I'm gonna put, but only it will be in
Okay.
summer.
Okay.
In rest seasons, no.
Okay.
In winter, the pool will be closed and in there will be a fire.
Okay.
Fire lamp like that.
Okay. Campfire.
Campfire, yes.
Okay. What else have you thought? Who is going to take the bookings?
Take the bookings. I'll have my father's help.
Okay, father's help. Okay.
Rest I can manage.
Rest you can manage. So you will do everyday checking for all these things?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to shift to the location?
Not shift.
Uh-huh.
I'm like gonna handle.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be like Airbnb type.
Okay. Very good. Okay, fine. And you're happy with the new logo that ChatGPT gave you?
Yes.
Okay.
But in the account, first reel should be that this logo that we got, na? On that, we will just take I will send this on your mobile. As you already have it, I'm going to send it now. And you will make a reel that you will say that
Coming soon.
coming soon, launching soon.
Very good.
You will write it over there. Not write, you will put it over there. Like coming soon.
Yeah, coming soon. Yeah.
Coming soon.
Yeah.
Coming soon we can add. Next we can.
Okay.
And that thing is born.
Good partner. Okay.